Break. This has got to be documented for real. Oh, there's no battery. I forgot the charging. Hello. Good morning. We've had a delivery. Northern Dairy Equipment. That is some more tea conditioner and what's the other thing called? I was going to call it a detergent, but it's not a detergent. Anyway, look at this. That is off the wagon. That is how well our morning is going. One of those is a Santa cleanse and one of them's a Bacta cleanse. Tea conditioner, and then like something that kills bacteria. There's a word for it, I can't remember what it is. Alright, cows are happy. Juno is out working somewhere, hopefully. Where is he? He's been on an absolute bender the last 24 hours. Rob said over the weekend he stopped and had to go driving back to his house. And then Richard said overnight he stopped and had to drive him back to his house. And then this morning we found him in the middle of the feed passage. But he's up there working now. Perhaps he's been on the beers. Anyway, I still have a job. I think largely because of the fact that we had Rob and Millie round for roast dinner at the weekend, and my wife cooked a lovely roast, and Rob got over the fact that we took the tractor to the garage without him. Anyway, this morning we are farting around with the Keenan wagon because that's been an absolute prick and it's got some wiring issues. Just sent Rich off to the garage to get some connectors. We think we found the problem. Oh yeah, and it's just rained all morning. It looks safe. I'm back with a full battery.
Are you sure?
I mean, look at this. Oh, DIY electricians. We have fitted a plug though, so we must know what we're doing.
Stop, rewire the whole farm.
Yep. Install 3-phase DIY.
No, we've got 3-phase, we just need to rewire the whole. Put our own transformer in.
Yep, probably do that. Snappy, snappy. What's the betting Rich gets up there and then stays and has lunch with Kev? Just
throttling my bare hands at me. Right, I feel like I need to strip these back a bit more.
I don't think it will hurt if you do.
Wire cutters.
Do you want those or do you want those?
No. First one's really cute. As I use the perfect technique. Oh look, they're tiny.
I mean, they are tiny wires.
Worked really well a minute ago.
Oh. When the camera wasn't on, you just cut the wire.
Yeah. Right, we go again. Yeah, I literally did that, just crimped round, but all just a little bit, and now I've just done the same bloody thing.
I like it, the pressure.
I gave up.
We've let Josh have a go. Part of his apprenticeship.
Well, the wire cuts just weren't really working.
No.
Yeah, that's looking better.
I think that's the... Yeah. That should be cut through now. Good old boundary blade. Hashtag ad. Oh god, he's back. Hey!
Lovely. Right.
Right, do that again.
Just 3 more times. Without any wires getting any short.
I have suggested trading in the Keenan. You almost need like a hard surface.
I know. On the back of that one or something stupid or not? I can't really hold
if
it.
I could do it on my fingernail, that would be perfect, but I can't get my fingernail where I want to.
Almost like want to put it on the bit of steel there, don't you?
Yeah. Where's Bowman when you need him?
Why, has he got all the tools, is he?
I don't know, he just seems to be good at this sort of stuff.
Oh, right. Does sound like Richard's back now. That's it. Yeah, just like that. For me to do it.
Yeah, if you want. It's not the nicest knife in the world.
Maybe you can farm it. We got a few more. Yeah, we're not.
Yeah. We've been having trouble exposing wire.
Did the new ones.
Oh, they are. That's good. Well, that's 2 out of 4.
No one can see.
See Richard's arse.
Oh.
Yeah. Find him on OnlyFans. £50 an hour, this is.
Is it?
Cool, then.
Cool, like,
Cool here.
Shine a bloody torch, I can't see anything!
No, you're fine. Put it on disco version again. See if that helps. Yes. Oh, there we go. Oh, beauty.
Please don't put on disco version. Off. Oh,
is it? No, I don't know which wire's what.
Daytime, nighttime. Why? Take too much off. Don't cough! Shut up.
Can't we put a plug socket on it? We were good at doing that.
What is going on? That's alright, that'll do. I can't
Oh,
bear
do
to
more.
watch. Yeah, I know. I can't bear to watch you do that anymore. You have literally joined them all together.
Juno's still going out there.
He's loving life out there now.
This red wire is having our pants down, so to speak.
You keep shaving. Look at it. Like
Whittling. Oh, there's wire.
Yeah.
God, you want to be an electrician? Yeah. Where is Graham? That's what I want to know. Hey! Hooray!
Right. I've got as much exposure as I had before when I should have not bothered with doing any of this.
Yes. No, they're never going to join. We have to cut all 4 of them
Now we need another piece of wire to join in.
Oh no, it's okay. Kind of. Right, one knife.
One knife.
Crimper.
Oh, you got blue ones. How many did you get?
20.
Oh,
No exaggeration. Literally. It's literally yin and yang. Holding in.
Who's in? Who's in?
Don't go there. Pull that red one apart, will you?
how many blokes did it take to fix a Keenan?
Right, okay. That's looking good.
Right, we are some boys. Yep, just tape it up.
Masterpiece. Which one are you doing first, small?
Josh, can you keep the torch on? He's wriggling over. It's like just, it literally is like on disco.
Disco mode.
Right.
Oh, beauty.
Right, where are the rest? All in your pocket?
Oh, yes.
That's all I got.
Yeah, yes, for real.
Yeah, but you better have more.
Yes, I am. Thank you. That's exactly what I'm doing.
Just literally clean him out with blue connectors.
Stay still, please.
So much man contact.
I've got too much brain.
There's no use for that one there. Jesus. Right, right to the...
Oh,
This one is not playing ball at all.
Just whack him on the head with a torch. I'll stop him laughing. You're a bastard. Yes.
And let's wipe on misery. Oh, for goodness sake.
Yeah, can you just twiddle that thing up?
I am.
Just like a moustache.
Oh, restarted.
Should we just
That's
do
it.
it?
Yeah, you do it.
strip those back too, though.
I know, I did, these ones are really easy and nice to do. And then you turn up your camera, it went west. Very quick.
It's the GoPro's fault.
One with no
No.
battery.
Oh, I was good.
We are so close.
This is not
And
the moment of truth.
Yeah.
Good.
What we've actually done is join 2 different way cells together.
Yes.
Imagine, cut the wrong wire.
Well, at least we're only on one wire.
Oh, it slid right in there. Look.
That's what I wanted to do that one first.
Right in his housing.
Yep.
This is like a genuine Keenan approved repair.
I'm not sure it is, Josh. You have a whole new flipping wire on there.
Can you please like and
What we-
subscribe?
Yes.
Right, you stay there. Right, that's sorted that one.
Push it in.
Josh, can you keep that torch on?
Disco.
See how annoying it is?
God, you're worse than my dad.
We'll get that far.
Yeah.
I think you two have spent a bit too much time
Rob's.
together. Those two definitely spent too much time together.
He's in charge.
Charge of what? 35?
Yes. He was running the place last Wednesday.
Yes. Look what
For the
happened.
2 hours I was gone.
Hang on, I've done that one, didn't I? He's like crumbled up here.
Decisions were made. Oh my god, look at that.
Probably was.
Yeah, no, I wasn't talking.
There was a jackdaw in the park.
Okay, see if that's okay.
Hooray!
Oh, no, it's come out.
Shut up.
Hang on, let me just let it go.
Yeah.
Oh!
Power.
We had that last time.
Oh yes, I can turn the torch off now probably.
No, you need it on flash.
Thank you.
Wait
Torch.
for it, wait for it!
No, it's going to do
It's
still
not.
with it.
Oh! Tits. La 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 la. What does that even mean? La 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 la.
I think it's doing some recalibration.
5!
Yeah, but nobody.
Go and jump on
it.
it, Rob.
Stays at 5. I touched it!
Any?
Yep.
Oh,
hang on,
yes.
stay still.
90.
90.
That's a bit
That's
more.
about right.
Oh, wait, I've lost 30 kilos.
Oh, you just gained 5. Oh.
120 when it started, and now I'm down to 90.
Right back down to 15 now.
God, that's the best it's ever been.
Best it's ever been, ever.
I mean, I'm 15 minus 9.
Oh, reset. 80-30. Tot. 0. 5. I reckon I'm about 75 kilos.
Well, that's a lot better than the last.
Yeah, it's gone up to 85.
You've lost 5 kilos.
Well, it was on.
Is it going to be 10?
It was on 5. Hello.
Oh, back is moving.
Oh, no, he's right. Yeah, he's gone back to 5 again. That's fine. That's fixed.
That's fine. That's good.
Right, deploy tape.
And that is how you rewire a Keenan.
Yes, we've not been here for 2 hours at all.
Cut
a little bit of tape off each.
Exactly.
That's going to cut with me now.
Yeah, you need like.
and then where you pull the
We'll
wire
start again. Cut that off. Thank you.
And all right.
Talking to himself.
Well, yeah, see, no one else is going to listen to him, are they?
I'm talking to the camera.
They're not listening either. People put it on mute.
Oh, God. Oh,
Right. Josh is very...
I'm just going to hold this. You can put the tape where you want.
I'm shining the torch at
My feet.
Richard's feet.
I'm a todger.
God's sake.
I would like to say that on YouTube.
After dark.
No one ever wants to look at your todger, don't worry. Is it not? Is it not?
Richard's off, so we can't fuck up too much. Torch!
Yeah, sorry.
Torch!
Oh, stop saying that, shut up! Goodness sake. Oh, right, tape. Oh.
God, look at that.
Don't zoom in too
That is
tight.
Bloody hell.
That is sexy.
Now you've set him off. Right, knife.
None of this will be editable or
Illegible?
edible.
I hope none of it's edible. No. Fuck. Oh well. Sorry, mate. That'll have to do. I don't think these
We
need
should've got some
wiring
heat
now, to
shrink.
be fair.
Oh, we are top mechanics.
I tell you, our talents know no bounds, are they, or something like that?
We know no bounds. Literally, we'll try
We
anything.
know nothing.
Well, I wouldn't say that. But... Right. I don't think the rest. I think the rest just needs bodging.
Are you going to tape it all in a big hit? Yeah.
Well, what about that red one? If you look
It's a red one, a bit dodge.
on the back. Oh, proper electrician. Yeah, it's done this.
Ha ha. Ho ho ho.
It's not doing that. No,
Yeah,
it's got it off.
Oh,
I thought it was off, isn't it?
I turned it on.
Why did you turn it on?
I wanted to see if it was still working.
Does it still work?
Yeah.
Good.
I'll do. Right. I'll jump on the back and then we tape it.
Must we just tape it up on you?
We've added 5 kilos of tape.
Yes.
Move.
Yep.
Yeah, you've gone up to 100 and something now.
Yeah. You're back up to 130 kilos.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work. Right.
What else we got there? We did the red one, didn't we?
Yeah.
I would just
The rest weren't actually.
smother that in tape as much as you can.
Must be something for Richard to see.
Dash, dash, dash. Yeah, like that. Right, sweet. I tell you what.
Okay, you're going to turn it off.
Turn it off.
Panicking.
Yes,
too
I was
much.
going to say.
No, I've still got the knife deployed.
Oh, okay. Self-defense mode.
Do you reckon this gives the impression that we're doing this in the pitch black? With the torch on? Especially in the middle of the day.
We just had to pick somewhere dry, that was the problem. With
No
very
lights.
terrible lighting.
God, this better work.
We've used 48% of a battery on this. We've literally had this on for half an hour.
That's how long we've been here for.
27 minutes is recorded this.
Oh my
Okay.
god. Oh dear, we are terrible.
Put the whole thing on, Josh.
Ta-da! Oh, god.
Oh,
I'll-
that's good.
I'll bring the vibes.
I can't even bear to watch it anymore.
May contain strobe lighting.
May contain strangling. May contain violent outburst.
Tots! Ah!
You'll be alright.
Reset. 80-30 end, yeah.
Well, that's always a good one, 80-30 actually.
Yeah, we like 80-30.
Yeah, that's good. Right, something way up on
I think we should see what I weigh, really.
Go on then, Josh. I'll hold your camera.
Jeez.
Thank you, fat buggers. Yep. Not yet. Get off.
Yeah, oh, for goodness. Look, I'll tell you when to get on. Jesus. I'm trying to zero it. Oh, now you've really messed it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're minus 75. Right, now we're on 0. Now you can go. take 28. Ooh, it's a pretty good guess.
What do you want, Josh?
I reckon 175.
175? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. No, pretty
Well, that is perfectly weighted.
Is it 75?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is my weight. God, look at that.
Oh,
We are some boys.
and it's 0.
God, yes!
Hey, a round of applause, everybody! Yeehaw!
Right. Well, that was great fun. We finally got it going. Oh, we are some boys. Some boys are we. Yeah, got me Northern Dairy jacket on. It's like proper cold. Well, it's not cold, it's like wind chill cold. Right, it is lunchtime. I've got to do a trip to the post office. I've got a mug to send in the post. Someone's ordered a shirt, and I've got my tax return there as well. So I've got to send all that. And then it's a Monday today, so it is bedding up. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, they get fresh sand in the beds. So we will all reconvene in a couple hours to do that. I say a couple hours. Less than a couple hours. Flat to the mat. Release the cows.
Right, afternoon. Just getting the cows out for milking it.
Rob says it's very important to stop and chat to the cows. Give them a nice touch. Isn't that right? Yes. But yeah, fresh sand today, so normally we scrape any muck off and cover it back up with any sand in the back of the cubicles. As it's bedding up today, just put any muck off. Don't cover it back up. Fresh stuff will do that. One row done. Right, now all the cows are out of the way. Come in here. Turn that valve. And let some milk down into the tank. Now Abby will scrape out, me and Rob will start milking. And then I suspect Richard will come and do the beds. And then either Rob will weigh out the cows, or Rob and Rich, or me and Rich, or me and Rob, or some combination of the three of us. For AI, once we've got all those picked out, there is 6 to pick out tonight. There's already 6 for tomorrow morning, so that is good. Oh, so another day on the farm done. Plenty more cows AI today, which is good. I think today is day 12 of serving. We're over 160 cows now. I think if we carry on as we are, we'll get to day 21, so 3 weeks, with about 40 cows of the herd that won't have been served. The last one actually calved after we started serving, so you know, there'll be some that probably haven't got themselves up and cycling yet. Anyway, got the wagon fixed. That was a good laugh, as well as a good job done. Hopefully Juno will behave. It's been on a bit of a bender the last 48 hours. Rob and Rich did a foot tonight. A cow had a couple little abrasions on her white line, Rob said. One that was just a little bit sore. Cows went through the foot bath tonight as well, which is good. And yeah, that's another Monday done. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Big thank you to anyone who's ordered merch. We've been busy doing that over the weekend. I dropped some off at lunchtime. I've got some more to drop off tomorrow lunchtime. So yeah, if you want any, there is a link in the top of the description all the time. Anything ordered within the next sort of week, we can, or week, 10 days probably, we can guarantee before Christmas. So if you want anything, go and have a look down there. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Cheerio!